Welcome back to mechanical engineering, and as usual I create videos on Solidworks for both beginners and also mechanical engineering projects. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next upload. Now in this tutorial we are going to use only one sketch to come up with 3D drawing. So if you are a beginner, I'm going to take you through until we obtain this design. We are going to sketch from right plane, so select sketch, and we'll begin with circle from origin like this. So we'll begin with two concentric circles, and on top here we'll have another circle, and to the right we'll have another circle here. Now we'll sketch an arc, center point arc. So center point is here, start is here, and then like this. Select. Now what we'll do, so first we delete these relations, click on this point, hold on shift, click on center, and then make coincident like this. Now we'll give a relations, click on this circle, hold on shift, click on this one, make equal relations. Now smart dimension, this circle has a diameter of 18 millimeters. From center, this arc has a radius of 80 mm, like that. Now the small circle has a diameter of 35, and outer circle has a diameter of 55, like this. Now what is missing is relation, so click on this center, hold on shift, click on this center, make vertical relations. So this one is fully defined, and for this one click on center, hold on shift, click on here, horizontal relations. See, fully defined. Now click on this arc and convert to construction geometry like this. Now we'll sketch two other circles on this point and another one here. Go to center point arc. From this center, identify this quadrant like this. You also need to identify this quadrant. Select. Now click on this arc, hold on shift, click on this circle, and make tangent relations like that. We sketch another arc from this center, from here, this point. Now click on this arc, hold on shift, click on this one, tangent relations. Same to this, tangent relations. Finally this one, tangent relations. So when you are done, smart dimension, the outer arc 100 millimeters. Sketch is fully defined. The next sketch is a line from this point until it comes into contact with this circle. Select. So if it's fully defined, we proceed to offset distance of 30 millimeters, and we'll select this line, reverse direction. Okay. Now go to trim entities, begin with lower end like this, and also from top as you come down like this. So this part is done. We'll have to mirror this side onto down here. So we'll draw a line from center point like this. Ensure it's construction geometry. Now smart dimension from origin, and this line will give an angle of 45 degrees. Like this. Now we go to mirror entities. Entities to mirror, select this sketch and 2 circles. Don't select 2 lines, don't select these ones. Now mirror about this line. Just say okay. We'll come to our last sketch down here. From this quadrant vertically to this circle, like this, and then offset 30 millimeters. Click on this line and then reverse direction. Click OK. We go to trim entities, begin from here, and then we trim from this side. And this one also. Click OK. See what we got. Now we need to sketch a circle in between the 2 of them. So pick circle and identify the midpoint. Sketch the first one, and also on this side identify midpoint. Draw another one. You don't need to dimension. Just click on this one, hold on shift, click on existing one and this one, and then make them equal, just like that. And we'll proceed to features and then extrude. Now our first distance is 7 millimeters, and then on contours we'll select this one, and this one, like that. Okay. Now to do the next extrusion, just click on this arrow to refill the sketch, and then go to extrude. Distance is 15 millimeters, and on contours we'll select all the contours, like that. But now on direction we'll need to reverse this way, then okay. See, now our final extrusion, we'll still click on our initial sketch and then go to extrude. This time distance is 55 millimeters, and then on contours we select this one, like this, but now direction reverse, like this, and then okay. See, so simple, right? So I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you'll not miss my next upload. See you in the next one.